Number 12. Tom bought 26 carnival tickets. He gave 5 tickets to each of his 3 sisters. How many tickets does Tom have left? Please show your work and explain. So, first, what do you need to figure out? You need to figure out how many he has. Does he have 26? Not anymore, because he gave 5 tickets to each of his 3 sisters. How could I figure out how many tickets he gave away? Multiplication. So step 1 is 5 times 3. And what does that equal? 15. Next, we know that he originally had 25 carnival tickets, but we want to see how many he has left. Because he gave away how many? 15. So you're going to do 26, the original amount of tickets, minus 15, how many he gave away. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. He has 11 tickets. So when you would explain it, you could say that first I figured out how many tickets he gave away, which was 15. Then I took his total of 26 and took away the 15 lost tickets to give me the answer of 11 tickets remaining. Number 13. Decide which student's work is a reasonable method to solve the problem 210 divided by 5. Hint, look at the last line of each response and work backwards. So, we just did a problem like this in question number 11, where you had to figure out which student did the correct work. What did I tell you is the easiest way to solve this problem? Do 210 divided by 5. If you know what answer you're looking for, you will be able to easily determine who did the right steps. Now, can I take 2 cupcakes and break them among 5 people? No. Can I take 21 cupcakes? Yes. Which multiple of 5 is closest to 21 without going over? 4. 4 times 5? 20. Subtraction. 21 minus 20 is 1. Am I done? No, because my stopping point was at the 1. Put it at the 0 and bring it down. How many times can I take 10 cupcakes and break them among 5 people? 2. 4 times 2 is 10 minus 10? 0. Check your work. Outside, outside equals inside. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. Were we correct? Yes, we were. So the correct answer to 210 divided by 5 is 42. Now look at your study guide. And like they said, look at the last line of each response and figure out which student was right. Which student is it? It's student letter A. Using division, explain how many groups of 9 are in 1,908. So which number is going to be your dividend? 1,908. And what's your divisor? 9. 1,908 divided by 9. Okay, same steps as always. Ask yourself, can I take one cupcake and break it evenly among 9 people? No. Could I do 19? Sure. Which multiple of 9 is closest to 19? 18. How do I get that? 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract that. 19 minus 18 is 1. Now we're going to do what? Put our stopping point here and bring it down. So our new problem is 10 divided by 9. How many times can I evenly break up 10 cupcakes among 9 people? Once. 1 times 9? 9. 10 minus 9? 1. Am I done? Nope, because the 8's still up here. Put the stopping point at the 8. Bring down the 8. How many times can I take 18 cupcakes and divide them among 9 people? Twice. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So my answer is 212. Let's check it. Outside times outside. 9 times 2? 18. 9 times 1? Plus 1? 9 times 2? Plus 1. Are we correct? Yes. So how many groups of 9 are in 1,908? There are 212. So that's what you would show. And then you could, for explaining your work, and fun fact, this was your homework tonight, so if you're paying attention, you could just copy it on down, and then that's also how I know that you watched the video or not. So, you tried to figure out how many groups of 9 are in 1,908. The first thing you did was figure out how many groups went into 19, and that was 2. Then you figured out how many groups went into 10, and that was 1. Lastly, you figured out how many groups went into 18, and that was 2. So your answer is 212.